Hola, I'm Chef Adriana and I'm going to be teaching you today a classic Spanish dish, Tortilla Española. And we are going to need only 3 ingredients: potatoes, onions, and eggs. So I started already preparing my ingredients. I have potatoes already cut up, just your regular roasted potatoes in a 1/4 inch thick. Then I've already cooked my onions. So it goes a little faster so you can see it coming together. So let's get started. Let me start my pan, and you are gonna need a good olive oil, and we're probably gonna need a good 1/4 cup. We always use a lot of olive oil in Spain. We even fry our churros in extra virgin olive oil. So we're gonna add good 1/4 cup and add our potatoes, which I did cook them ahead of time, so they kind of brown here in the pan a little bit, and then it comes together a little quicker. All right, so we're gonna cook that. And our onions, which is 2 onions, small onions that I thinly sliced and I already cooked. So we're adding them in. So a lot of times I already have cooked potatoes and I either pan fry them or I put this dish together, which is the tortilla. So we're gonna cook this, give that a few minutes, and while that cooks, I'm gonna crack my eggs. So I'm gonna use 5 eggs for this size of pan. So we already have 3. We're gonna do 4. And 5. All right, so we're gonna let them sit there a little bit, and we're gonna cook this around, add a little bit of salt. And if you're cooking your potatoes, if they're not cooked already, this is gonna take you a good 15 minutes to cook the onions and the potatoes. So low medium heat, and you almost let them poach in that extra virgin olive oil. So be patient. You're gonna have to let them kind of go. Cooking for 15 minutes, and now they're ready to add to our eggs. Okay. Oh, this is so good, you guys. Look how beautiful that is. In our family, we like it a little runny in the center. It's the best part. And of course, we're gonna add mojo. The red mojo is a smoky red pepper sauce that goes perfect with potatoes. I'm gonna add a little bit. And let's try this. Look how creamy that looks. It's so good. It's like butter. So delicious. You guys need to try it. And then the sweetness from the onions is the perfect pair. Let me know if you make this dish. It's a great quarantine meal, easy to make, and it's delicious tomorrow as well. So I hope you enjoy it and have a good time. Adios!